So if you look at the WhatsApp, you see online 2 minutes ago. When you look at the BBM, online 5 minutes ago. When you look at, for example, the Viber, online 1 minute ago. When you look at Skype, they are online right now. When you look at the Quran, they were online last Ramadan. Allahu Akbar. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless us. It's a reality. We have more time for our social media than we have for Allah. Yet when you die, your phone is offline, your Viber is offline, your WhatsApp is offline, your BBM is offline, your Quran will be online at that time. Why? Because your a'mal, your deeds will come with you to your grave, not your phone. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless us and open our doors and our understanding.